Hello guys, we're gonna grab one of these gift boxes from Dollar Tree and we're gonna go and use only the bottom part and spray paint it in gold. After you spray paint it in gold, I'm going to use one of these vinyl that they also have in Dollar Tree. So just go ahead and grab anything to measure it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and measure it, and I'm gonna do 3 inches because I want a little bit of the gold to show. So I'm just gonna cut it, mark it down to 3 inches, and then I'm gonna take a ruler, whatever you have available, and you're gonna take a pencil and trace it out. Then after you trace the whole thing out, the whole vinyl, you're gonna take one of the scissors and you're gonna to cut it all the way out. Once you cut the whole vinyl out, you're gonna take it apart, and then you're going to take the box and switch it like that in here, and then you're going to go ahead and place it right in the middle of the box like that to leave a little empty space in the bottom and the top as well. Then after you do that, you're going to take some floral foam, put some hot glue, and put it inside. I'm going to put another one because I want to make it a little bit taller, so you could just place two or whatever you want to do, whichever work for you. Then go ahead and put flowers inside. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill it out, the whole thing, with flower, whichever color you guys are doing. Then I'm going to take one of these balloon stick. I'm going to spray paint the balloon stick in gold. You can leave it as that as well. Then after that, I'm going to just go ahead and measure it to see what size I would like. You could do a taller version or a smaller version. It's up to you how you would like it to look. Then just go ahead and cut it out, and then go ahead and put the top of the balloon like that. And you're going to take your balloon and place it on top, and then go ahead and put it inside the floral foam inside like that. Then once you guys do that, I'm going to place a little flower on top in the middle, and this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. This is something so simple that you guys can do at home. This is more like for a baby shower. You can also do it in blue, and I think it will also look blue great for a baby shower. You can also do it for a birthday party. It doesn't matter whichever you do it. I think it will look great. Now for the next idea, I'm going to take one of this circle. It's like a little wood circle. I'm going to place it there. I'm going to take two of these circle floral foam, and I'm going to attach them together, and then I'm going to put some hot glue in the floral foam, and then I'm going to attach it to the middle of the wood like that. Just make sure to place it, hold it into place until you attach it good. Then after that, we're going to take one of the string that come in a set of 3. I'm just going to take one. I'm just going to mark it down like that to place it inside. So just pull it down like that until you do like a little hole like that you can fit it in. Once you do that, just go ahead and put some hot glue all the way around it, and then take some floral foam. This is the key that's going to hold the ring together. So you have to make sure to put enough hot glue and enough of the floral foam inside to attach it into place like that. So you're going to do that until you do the whole thing around it, and once you do that, then it will dry up perfectly fine and will not fall off. Then after that, I got these signs, like a happy birthday signs. I'm going to take this part out because this is one of the one that you stand out, but I'm not going to use it for that. I'm just going to go ahead and take my scissor and cut it out. Here you can find any signs that says happy birthday. You can also put a number here. It's up to you, whatever thing that you guys are doing. Then after that, I'm going to grab one of this stick, and then I'm going to take my hot glue, put some hot glue in the stick like that, and then I'm going to attach it to the middle of the signs like that. Then once you do that, you're going to place it in the middle, but you can leave it as big, but you can also make it shorter. I want to make it shorter just to make it look better. So then just go ahead and attach it in there. Then I'm going to grab my flowers and place the flower around it. You could do different colors of the flower. You could do one color of the flower. It's up to you. Then I'm going to take some flower and place it in the ring as well, just to make it a little bit cuter. You don't have to put it here, but I just want to put some flowers and a little butterfly. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. Something so simple and expensive that you guys can do at home, and it's so easy to do. This one you can leave it all the flower different colors, and you could do the butterfly, but I also wanted to show you different ways that you guys can do it so you guys can see. This one is more like a plain look. I took out some of the color flowers so you guys can see how it turns out, and I even took the butterfly and then just left the flower. But you could also leave it as, just take all the flower out and just leave it as plain as this one. I'm just giving you a different idea. You guys decide which one you would like to do. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and I hope you guys like this DIY.